The blastomeres rapidly divide, transitioning from the 2-cell stage to the 4-cell and then 8-cell stages. The morula transitions into a blastocyst, forming the blastocule and differentiating into the inner cell mast. The trophoblast differentiates into the inner cytotrophoblast and the outer syncytotrophoblast.
The syncytine progresses. As the implantation progresses, the embryoblast differentiates into the bilaminar disc. The epiplantation, following complete implantation, the syncytotrophoblast expands, forming lacunae. Maternously, we see the formation of primary chorionic villi and the expansion of the chorionic cavity. The primary yolk sac, Tolan. During gastrulation, epiblast cells invaginate streak, forming the definitive endoderm and mesoderms. The trilaminar embryonic disc, consisting of the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm, undergoes gastrulation. The neural plate folds inward, forming the neural groove and folds. These folds then fuse superiorly to form the neural tudenolith. As the embryo folds laterally and longitudinally, the cardiogenic regions fuse, forming the primulus. The week 4 embryo is C-shaped, with the heart tubes fusing and beginning to beat. Upper and